Welcome back to the channel, guys. We made a new discovery in a recent video. Let's jump into it.
Okay, everyone, thank you. Welcome back. I want to revisit this video from last month, March 23rd. It's getting a lot of attention, and my editor Chris here just pointing out things that I should have seen myself. This is where he's going to be speaking with me on this. So this is I don't think these are drone guys. I don't think these are the dragons, the drones, the 10-inch copper discs that I've been recording. And by the way, those 10-inch copper drones, those are the same drones, most likely, that have been flying around our Navy ships that you've been hearing about in the last couple of weeks. 50 miles off the coast of Los Angeles is highly likely these are the same drones, and these are the drones that are occurring that anyone can film in Marina Del Rey. So this video here, March 23rd, with these three orbs, I think now, he brought up I think this could be one ship. Maybe some of you have already thought of that, have put one and one together. There's recently been this new video the Navy has released with this giant triangle ship, night vision. Yeah, because these three dots, these three orbs, they're moving in sync. And when you look at the interpolation, you can see they all sway in the same direction at the same time. At first, I thought maybe that was the AI on these drones and they're all moving, but they don't. In past videos, they don't move in sync. They don't need to. They move independently. So for these three lights to be moving in sync, gosh, I really think this is maybe next level now. This is one triangle ship. Chris, did you want to speak to anything real quick before we go on?
Yeah, thank you. So what we're looking at here is obviously an image of a hawk that's flying in place. And if you look off in the distance, the hawk is about 100 to 150 feet away from the camera. You look way beyond the hawk and you see these three little orbs flying past the camera. And initially looking at this, I thought maybe these were three different crafts. But after further review and some of the recent discoveries of UFOs, triangle-shaped UFOs off the coast of California, I started to think that quite possibly this could be a cloaked single UFO. So what we're looking at here is the recent video released, or leaked, I should say, by Jeremy Corbell. It has been all over the news, triangular-shaped UFOs that were spotted off the coast of California, and they were recorded by the U.S. Navy. So when we're looking at this triangle in the sky, we see that it's covered in white, right? It's completely white due to the night vision. So my hypothesis is that if this were maybe recorded at night, the video that we are proposing, maybe we'd see the same image. In the daytime, it is being cloaked. It cannot be seen, but the tips of each corner can be seen. Now this photo is obviously a dramatization, but it is from accounts of people that have witnessed these UFOs in the daytime, possibly uncloaked. Each corner is illuminated by a light. I find that very interesting, and this is where I also kind of, tie things in together with the video that we've recorded. So looking at this picture that was taken by someone in the US, we look at these three dots that illuminate, I'm assuming, one large ship. It's very similar to the ship that I think is being seen and shown in the Hawk video. And we're going to move on and look at another example just to show you some more similarities. Now we look at this photo that was taken over South Carolina. Again, we see the three corners of this one craft, and we also see a couple of more little lights in the middle and off to the side. I find it very interesting, and this is kind of what went through my head, making these correlations, tying these things in together, which led me to believe that what we witnessed was one large craft traveling of some sort, passing by. But I truly think that this is one craft and not multiple.
All right, thank you, Chris. I appreciate it. So thank you again for tuning in. I just want to keep you guys that we are staying on top of this. We still have new video, but this was just so important. I thought I wanted to revisit this. And again, even though 98% of the helicopters chasing these drones in Marina Del Rey are gone, I still have a lot of new video. A lot of it from the past and a lot of new video. It's just, so we will be posting that soon. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and stay safe, and we'll speak soon. Thank you.